Rajiv Talreja. I'm an author of an international bestseller book titled Lead or Bleed, and also the founder of Quantum Lead, which is Asia's largest business coaching and consulting company for small and medium business owners. And our mission is basically to help small and medium business owners to grow in their business, be it in their marketing, in their sales, in their HR systems, in their management. So we do this yearly event called Proficon to celebrate small and medium business owners, because most events are focused on funded startups or large industrial business houses or MNCs. There are very few platforms that celebrate micro, small and medium enterprise business owners. So our mission and our endeavor is to create that platform to support and celebrate MSMEs. So that's a little bit about the event that we are having. Over the last 2 days at Proficon, we've had 9 MSME business owners sharing their journey of growth. We've also had some business icons coming and gracing the occasion. So we had Dr. Vikas Divyakirti of Drishti IAS. He shared the journey of how he scaled a services business. We also had Mr. Mithun Sacheti of Carrot Lane. He shared the journey of how he built Carrot Lane as the first online jewelry brand and then sold it to Titan. And then we also had Mr. Kishore Biyani of the Future Group, where he shared about the journey of building consumer brands in India like Pantaloons, Big Bazaar, Central. And he also shared about the journey of the failure of the Future Group, which was very, very inspiring for a lot of business owners, because everybody talks about success. Very few people talk about failures and challenges. So the way he broke down how to deal with failure was very, very insightful and inspiring for the business owners. This morning we had Mr. Suhail Seth, who's been a trusted advisor of Mr. Ratan Tata, who paid a tribute to Mr. Ratan Tata and shared with all of characteristics of Mr. Ratan Tata, which was again very emotional and inspiring for the business owners who attended this event. We currently have 1,700 business owners attending this program from 200 different cities across India. Some of them have come also from parts of Middle East. We have participants from Philippines, we have participants from Malaysia as well. But predominantly, we are a India business community itself. And it's just very inspiring to bring small and medium business owners together.